Are you struggling with managing multiple Excel files? Merging them into one Excel file is the solution. RecoveryFix Excel Merge tool emerges as a game-changing solution designed to simplify the process of merging Excel files with data accuracy and structural integrity. Here is the detailed tutorial on merging multiple Excel sheets into a single or individual worksheet with no hassle. Download, install, and launch RecoveryFix Excel Merge on your system. Click on the Merge button under the Merge Excel Files option. Click on the Add File button to upload Excel files. Select all the required Excel files and click Open. If you add any wrong file, then select it and click on the Remove option. Moving forward, you can manually tick the checkbox to select an Excel file, or you can select the checkbox adjacent to the selected path option to select all files at once, then click on Next. Here, you'll get two merge options, single worksheet and individual worksheets. We'll perform the method with the single worksheet option. Click on the Browse button to specify the saving location. You can either select an already created folder, or you can make a new folder by specifying it as a name. Once done, click OK. Click on the Merge option to begin the Excel merge process. The software will start merging Excel files into a single worksheet. Once the process is done, you'll receive a success message. Click OK. Click on Open Folder Location to directly navigate to the saving location of the merged files. Double-click on the Excel sheet to preview merged Excel files and data saved in a single sheet. Click on the Save Reports option to save the merge process log reports in a CSV. You can select the destination as per needs and click Save. In this way, you can merge multiple Excel files into a single worksheet using our software. Thanks for watching this video, and don't forget to check out the official website to know more about the software. If you found it helpful, don't forget to hit the like, share, and subscribe button.